Flow around. Yeah, there we go. Looking good, smelling good. All right. Here we go, guys. All right. And good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dwayne with Digilog Live, and we're live here in the parking lot outside Rocori Spartans football stadium. And tonight we've got the opportunity to actually interview some of the Sauk Rapids Storm guys. They came here. They're cooking and grilling and having one heck of a great time. So we thought we'd bring you in on the live action as we've done earlier. So let's spin around here and let's start off with the head cook. Let's see how he's doing now. Introduce yourself, would you?
Hey, I'm Justin Szymanski.
Yeah. So what's the tradition here? Tell us about what's happening here. Have you guys done this before?
Yeah, we do it at all the home games. I think we're gonna do it on all the away games.
Oh, you bet.
We're going all away games.
Awesome idea. Awesome. So tell me what's the forecast for the game tonight?
Pain.
Oh, we're gonna come down here. Somebody's saying pain.
Right there.
All right, tell me more. What's happening here?
Right, so our objective is to send at least like 5 of them to the hospital.
Oh man, come on.
But not like real serious stuff, but just,
okay.
you know,
All right.
we're going to win. I predict a 30-point win.
All right, now give us a feel for how's the team done so far this year.
Well, they've put out more ass beating than anyone else.
Is that right? So
Butt whooping, I mean.
no, whatever it might be, that's cool. So they are 2-0,
2-0,
right?
2-0.
Cool.
Last week we went against Alex, beat them. Went against Paulo, beat them. Gonna go against Corey and beat them. So period.
Get all more starters
Period.
back this year.
All right.
Got our
all right.
starters back tonight.
So have you guys got a cheer that you can all get together with, huh?
Y'all want to win, put Brewer in.
How about 1, 2, 3, go Sauk Rapids, go, or go Storm, huh? 1, 2, 3,
Go Storm!
awesome.